Their sun was almost here. I'm going to head north once you got another call, Philly.
4. Break. Plus 30.
Hey, go ahead.
You need more assistance over there?
Negative. We have them both loaded. We're leaving the scene now.
10-4-30. 0035.
Several instances in the southeast. 10-4. We've got 3 sets of searchers going through the houses to the north of me. Yeah, well, I'm going to send some more up. I've got 2 more shooters here. I can send them right now. Just have them come to me. They'll say everything south of me has been checked. Okay, where are you at? Give me your lighting.
Winter rainfall moving across northwestern part of the county. Rainfall rates of 2 inches per hour were indicated by these storms. We have been placed in a flash flood warning. Locations including Canton, Galva, Emmons, Lindsborg, Marquette, McPherson, Moundridge, Roxbury, Wyndham, and of course the McPherson Airport. Dispatch concluding 37 minutes.
How are they doing out there at State Lake?
They've got several houses checked, I believe.
All the injured removed?
I still think they still have a few out there.
Who is requesting to come out?
Several lay persons.
Tell them to stand by. They may go out there to State Lake down on where the shelter belt's at. Shelter house, that's the command post down there. That's where we're going to be headed. 3430.
All the houses have been checked at the lake. We are in the process. We did a quick check. Now we're going back to start gathering people to bring them around to the shelter house.
10-4-34, break Minneapolis 30.
30, go ahead.
34 advised, all the houses have been checked at the State Lake. They're going back through now to gather up people and take them to the shelter house.
At Denver, myself and 485 will be en route back to the shelter house.
10-4-0038.
341 to 34. Coming with 323 lately. Victims to the south end. Victims to the south end. We've got ambulances down here. Go ahead. I want to send down to the shelter house. North is blocked by trees. Goes in and is not. Did you contact either Larry Snavely or whoever the LK guy is? You can see if they're responsible for the blacktop out here, so if they could come out here and move some brush and stuff for us. Topeka?
10-4.
I don't need him.
10-4.
Open base. Yeah, when you arrive at the scene, report to Bennington. They will dispatch you where to go. Go ahead.
Just down, headed that way.
Sure.
Flying to State 143. 323 has been notified.
I'll give him a call. 38, bank at 400. That way, as soon as I can, and also could you have 410 call my phone?
10-4, Salina State 410.
Line, I'm just doing traffic control a few blocks back.
321 needs you to 1021 this phone. Go ahead.
If you can get a hold of the fire department. ask them to move some of their trucks and open up 190 so we at least have one lane of travel.
10-4, you want fire department to open up 190th?
Well, I do not have the fire frequency in this Fish and Game truck. They've got 190th blocked with fire trucks. We need at least one lane of travel so we can go through.
4?
32, 36. I think they can get through if you bring them down this way.
10-4, I just need to get them out so we can go one way or the other.
10-4, I think you can weave in and out here.
10-4, I'm going to be going north.
10-4, I'm not going to send them back unless they're volunteer firefighters or EMTs.
395.
They're in the area.
395, 43 minutes.
4. You have Mr. Goheen. Has he been taken to the shelter house?
10-4, that vehicle's been moved down there.
10-4.
For me for your 47 real quick and a time of occurrence.
The location will be the I-135 to eastbound 70 interchange, and time of occurrence, no, I'll have to, there's still a lot of information I don't have from them, we just couldn't get it. I'm going to have to call them on their phone tomorrow.
10-4, I'll put a hold on it, 46 minutes.
30, go ahead, I'm on State Lake Road, headed for the command post.
Get ready to leave 1019. I have a van, full-size van. Do you need my assistance out there with that van?
And I'll advise you when I get out here to the command post, see what they've got. I think they've got everybody moved down to there for right now, but I'll advise you when we get there.
Well, if you need anything from my 42 supplies or anything, I can see what I come up with.
10-4.
Arrow 47.
The shelter house, we could use any blanket.
27, Solana. Say 27. Might go ahead and let electrical company know there's a power line down here on Wells Road. About just east of 190th. East of the 190th, you guys? I'm up east of 190th on Wells Road. Part of it's still in the roadway, just a little bit into the right lane. 10-4, 50 minutes. For you listening, no need to acknowledge, but Bennington Bible Church is now going to be open for the public if they need somewhere to stay.
The shelter house. With the shelter house. 30, go ahead.
10-4, that Bennington Bible Church was going to be open to the public for shelter if needed.
That's 10-4. I'm still out here at State Lake. We're trying to move.
Units at the south end of cabin room.
We're about halfway up.
From the north side.
Were you able to get it off?
Walk up if you can't drive.
Is it still leaking?
I think the tank is cracked. Down the top valve, where the pressure release comes out, it looks like it's broke.
State 143.
266, 143. Good.
Florida State 143 ascertaining 28 needs to be en route to your area.
At this time.
454 minutes.
And I'll meet up with her there, get her back to her family. They're going to stay in their residence. They don't have any room damage.
Okay, I've got the line across there, so you can only drive up there about halfway.